Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Hey friends, welcome to Freedom Ranch Homestead. I am very excited to say that we are starting the project of installing our new hardwood floors. So a few months ago, we started researching our options for what kind of flooring that we were going to put into the log home. And we originally had decided on some really unique tile that we found. It was a 12 by 12 square foot tile with a design that looked a little bit similar to barnwood, used barnwood. And we absolutely fell in love with it. But we knew that tiling was not something we had really done a lot of before. And so we thought that it would be best if we had somebody install it for us. So when we got the quote for the materials and for installation, the amount was around $30,000. So a lot of sticker shock there. We decided that that was just not the option that we were going to go with. And we decided to go back to the idea of hardwood floors. We chose out something that we thought would work really well. And then we, mentioned it to our builder, Dan. And he said, I have a really good idea for you. And he had some samples of this reclaimed barnwood. And so I got in touch with the company. It's Appalachian Woods, and got a few more samples and took a look at their website and saw the beauty of the wood that they had. And we decided to go with them for like a fraction of the price. And so we chose to do a mixture of all different types of hardwoods. And so it was just going to be kind of a very random array of different woods and looks. And we got the wood and we fell in love with it immediately. And so we're really excited to show you how we are doing with the beginning of the installation. So I hope you enjoy the video and hope you have a fabulous day. Our hardwood floors have arrived, but somehow Chuck has to get them off the truck. And Chuck is not happy about this right now. So we were not prepared for that. This is making me very nervous. Nope. The crate's gonna break. Oh God. Holy mackerels. Please don't drop. Oh my God. Stop. Oh my God. Oh, thank God it didn't drop. The beginning of the next project. Capella, look out. Come here, girl. Got a new pallet under. Now we can lower it down. It has made it into its temporary home. If I cover it with a tarp, see a little bit in there. It is the next morning and we are going to try and move as much as we can inside today, just so it's out of the elements. And we're going to open up the box to see how it looks. The big reveal. So this is reclaimed barnwood of varying hardwoods and been repurposed. Wow, so there's like a bunch of bundles together, all different types of sizes. Wow. He completed it all. My strong man. Okay, let's open up a pack and check it out. Okay, so here is a small sample of what they look like. And this has been before they're oiled and everything. They definitely have the rustic look like the walls. Peter and I get to, hello Peter. We are going to put the underlayment down for the hardwood floors. It is a cork foam, so it should be nice and cozy. We've prepped the floors and we are ready to roll her out. Stuff is nice and squishy. I like it. Peter's just hammering some of the staples down that I didn't get fully embedded. Peter and I came in for lunch and we found Bree and Grandma. You guys are making what?
Monkey bread.
Monkey bread. Are they like rolls or?
They're like little things with cinnamon.
Ooh, yummy. That will be tasty. Helen, is this your recipe?
No.
No? You just looked it up, Bree? Let's see how it turns out. Peter and I have completed the cork flooring and we're gonna go pick out some wood, start laying it down to see how we want it laid out. This is awesome. Here is all the flooring. So we're gonna just start picking out different sizes and bring it in, and I'm actually gonna be doing the ones I don't like the most in the bedroom so that you can't really see it underneath the bed. So what we started doing is Peter and I were just laying them out in the way that I wanted them. And we had them all the way up against the wall, but now that Chuck is gonna start working on it, we just moved them out a little bit to give them space. They're pretty rustic, but I think when they get oiled up and stuff, they're gonna look really pretty. We'll see. So we're checking the square of the corner.
It is square.
Yay.
It is square.
Alan, his crew did good.
Square.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
All right, so now we just have to get it off.
So now we're gonna use spacers. Let's see how this works.
I think, okay, yeah, here, there's a 1/2-inch spacer there, which is what we want.
But it kind of sits off the ground.
Yeah,
Oh, you said it like that.
like this. So we just need to put these in
Okay.
where it's the 1/2-inch side down. The fat side down, it gives us a 1/2 inch. So you can flip that and make a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. Okay, so push. So from the end, we gotta start with the end. Need 2 on
Oh,
the
and we need, yes, we need one on the end.
2 on the end.
Here, right.
Yep.
Okay.
And we always want to start the wall with a
You want to do
one.
2 back there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
It'll keep it square.
Yeah.
Okay. Back there.
Okay.
So there's 2.
And then push it in. There we go.
Right in.
Yeah.
Boom. All right.
Okay.
Now
Gives us a
next.
little space here.
Yeah, fat side down. Tap it this way. Okay. Right here's all you need to take right here. Is it in? Is it tight? Is it going in or not?
What's going on here?
It might just need a little.
Except it's not quite. Hold on. All right, well, we can there, it's in now, babe. We just need to tap this guy. There, now we're lined up. Now, oops.
Tap it again.
Nope, we're good. It's good.
Okay.
Okay, we're about to nail it down.
least 6 inches. We hit it again.
Okay, we're gonna cut it.
That's going to be just fine.
The first cut. Woo!
Smooth.
Like butter, baby.
First ones are the most important.
Okay, and then you got the spaces on the, oh, you're gonna pull it in together. That's right, you're gonna need those spaces.
Take this.
There, good. Hey, Bree!
Yeah, this thing, we got to fix it. The boards will kind of warp a little bit, so we hit it with a hammer and it pushes the board together and nails it all at once.
Okay, here are your nails. Maybe I will. There we go. They slid in.
So as long as it's level there, then you hit it. But if you do this, you got a problem.
It's in. You can probably go a little farther down, huh? You're doing them really close together?
At least 6 inches is what they recommend.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yep.
Give her another whack, baby. Woo! All right, baby.
Oh no!
Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Okay, take 2. Had to take the nails out. Bree's gonna learn how to whack it.
Baseball player.
Yeah.
You don't have to hit it that hard. You just got to hit it nice and firm.
Yeah, because you want to make sure you hit it, not your dad.
Yep. There you go. That's good.
That darn hose.
Hold on. I'm going until I tell you. Okay? There you go.
Good, Bree.
Nope.
There you go. Line it up on that one. There you go. Nice. Coming together. It is day 2 of the flooring project. Bree and Chuck and I are about to accomplish the rest of the bedroom, hopefully, by the end of the day. As you can see, dressed a little bit cozier today because the temperature dropped about 25 degrees last night. And that wind is howling and it is freezing. So we're gonna get busy moving around to warm ourselves up, get the floor in, and feel accomplished for the day. when I get to the end piece, what I do to make sure I have the correct end, excuse me, that's the groove. Tongue is on that end. So then I flip it. I put this, the spacer on. Then I come back over here and I line the edge up and mark it where I want to cut it. So then when I go cut it, I'm going to cut this end off. And this end with the tongue will fit right in there. So then I go out here. Into the very messy living room. To the chop saw. Board on. Line it up. Voila. Now we'll go back and lay it in place. So I do this for every end. And slide it in. And then I just hammer it down. Voila. And then after I pound them all in, my hot hubby comes and nails them down. Fabulous. We have made quite a bit of progress today. The wood is looking really cool. So unique. Edge. So this piece we're putting in is really cool looking. Oh my God. You're evil. You scared of me. Look at this one we're putting down. That's wood. That green. That is wild. Isn't it nice looking? The room is completed, except for obviously the closet and the hallway. But love, love it. Yay. Yay, fabulous. Let's go get some dinner. Chow time.
Got it.
Good work, baby. Give me
Good
5
work,
minutes.
baby. That's awesome.